Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis about market. There is no any investment advice, just my opinion, personal opinion. So let's start. We passed through weekend and it was okay actually, but yesterday Trump told he supporting Netanyahu. Whatever he makes he will support him. Yes, sounds bad, but the things, Iran responded warmly. Like, I can say that they uh, giving some sign of meeting on middle of the way. That's why it would affect positive in crypto, and in the same time I can say if they meet in the middle of the way, they can let gold and silver keep calm for a long period of time. So basically like that. And what happening this week? Let's start. Monday, February 16. Market in the US are closed for President Days. That's good for us cause we don't see any sell from BlackRock. That's why it's okay. KBC Belgium's second largest bank is launching Bitcoin and Ethereum trading services. This is pretty positive news. It would affect in long term. And the UK High Court will hold a hearing regarding the disposal of assets in the Kian Zemin 60k Bitcoin money laundering case. Guys, would affect us in long period of time pretty bad, cause if UK government take those bitcoins and they decided to sell it, that would show some big drop in Bitcoin because this is huge. It's 60k. That's why we will see. It's not gonna happen today or this week. It will happen after, front weeks. We will see. I hope it's not happen. And Tuesday, Ethereum, the Denver event for Ethereum is starting. The event will continue until February 21. This is good event cause when Ethereum makes some upgrade or some new project launch, they can join this event. That's why we can see some positive things from there. Actually we need to see some positive news from Ethereum, so let's hope to get some good things over there. And Solana 21 shares will distribute staking rewards to Solana ETF holders. This is not good. This is kind of token unlock. And when there is a token unlock, we will see some increase on supply. And even, there's token unlock, that also sign off they're going to sell those coins. So we might see some, increase on supply. We will see some increase on supply. And also we might see some sales. That's pretty bad news, so just watch out while you making trade on Solana. And if you remember, I'm telling you Solana is not moves well, that's why. So Jupe also saying opposite. It's opposite than token unlock. It might allow Jupe price rise if they can make everything right, so we will see. And Wednesday, World Liberty Financial will host the first World Liberty Forum at Mar-a-Lago. This is good news, but the things, VLP whales are selling their coins. That's why even it's good news, we don't see side of volume any good things. That's why I can suggest to you just skip that news. And Thursday we will see initial jobless claims, and Friday big day because Friday looks pretty bad, to be honest. There's a lot of data, there's a lot of index. Also there's just one thing that we can get some hope. The US Supreme Court will issue an opinion on tariffs, but it says opinion. That means we can get some insider info, like tips about future tariffs. That might give some sign for us. If they think some positively, we can consider at the future they might make some positive stuff. That's why it's okay, but rest of them like hell, I can say it. We will look at that on Friday. On liquidation map, I can see there's one tough liquidation area on 73k. So if Bitcoin surpass that level, that would bring us break up on our triangle, if you remember. Also it might drop till 66k to get together those liquidation as well, so we need to watch out in both way. And what's going on in market in total? I just wanna carry this over here now. Let's just delete it, it didn't came that part anyway. Also does not make sense. So guys, in total market cap we need to see some rise over here. It must break up here and then some rise like that. I am expecting this weeks, but of course if there is have no any random news out of my expectations. So on others, it's make higher high, higher low, that's good. I'm expecting some rise over here till 88. After here we can think again. Just no need to this one and move it that one, even delete it, just carry that. Yes, so we can see some rise till 88. Let me just make it like that, it's better, because after that we can consider where it will go. Why it not leaving me anyway. So 188 is kind of key level on others, but the things, when we see this rise in this week, which is almost 8%, it will bring us good nice in market, at least till Friday. You know what I mean, Friday we will see. So what else? Gold. Let's just move that here. I will just put this to 100 and let's put it here. Let me just clear because it's too confusing, not for me but for you. So yes, gold makes some skew, some triangle inside of that channel. As you see, there's a higher low and there's stable high, but the things, if it can, where is my line? Break this level. Yes, if it can break this level 5100, and if it can enter let's move it, I can consider to open some long position inside of that box, which is gives me 5%. That's good. Let's make it like that. So, but if it's cannot surpass this 5100 and cannot enter this, I'm expecting a drop from gold 100%, not 180%, let's say. Of course it will, if it not will rise, it will drop, but I am expecting just this as a long. After, if it cannot surpass and if it break up this line, we can actually We can also say that if it, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's cool. If it cannot break, we can let them consider it. So far, I'm thinking that it will give us on silver. Silver not goes good. As you see, it's working in the channel and it looks like it will bring us 66k. If it make opposite, that time we can consider. So far I don't see any good things on silver. Also, if it make drop down after this or around this, we will open a lot of short on silver. So what is that? Bitcoin. I'm saying, what is that? Yes, Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. So as you see, it's still working inside of that channel, that triangle. And when we check the liquidation head map, we saw 66, which is over here, and we saw 73, it's around here. And I can say if it can surpass that those triangle, we will see some rise on Bitcoin, and I'm expecting some rise after this. I don't want to see any other drop. It might make it danger. So I can say I can even give a position on Bitcoin if it can, but I will be sure position. Yes, let's move it. If it can break up 75, it will give us this 6.5 percentage for sure. Also, you can consider this part as a long, but I'm gonna give it as a box for pros. So there is also, you can make short trade, it's for percentage. That might allow us. After this, we can expect some breakup top of this triangle, then we can wait for 75. Let's make it 75. Yes. On Ethereum, let me just move this and delete them. Why I do work like that, I don't know. On Ethereum also have triangle, but if you ask me, I would make some things on Bitcoin instead of Ethereum, but this is totally up to your decision. There is no any investment advice. It's my opinion. So if it can break up this line, just delete it. After 2100, I can consider to make some things. Also, you can make inside of that box till finish this triangle. It's almost giving for percentage. That's also possible to make trade, but I will skip. BNB, as I told you, if it's drop down here, I will open short and long in same time. I mean, first short then long. You got what I mean. But it didn't care. As you see, it's just made some reversal over there, and over there it keep rise with double bottom. And right now I will just carry this here because I do see some opportunity over there, but I will enter on 645 to still here. Let's carry them. So it gives 6%, but let's make lower stop loss. Let's make it 2. So it's 3-to-1 ratio. That's good. Like that. It can give 6.6%. That's good. This is Bitcoin Cash. This is crazy coin. You know what? I might consider this as a success because, guys, you know, when you are making some position, if you should know it, but I will say again, let's say you open a position and it came half of it. You can close half of your position and you can bring your entry stop loss to entry point, entry price, then you can wait to, you know, hit. But that's okay even if you don't make it. If you make it for percentage, it's already give, but if it's not, I can say that it will give again. But this time I don't expect that rise. I will expect like 579. So just 1 second. Before I do that, I need to move to the price. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't understand the right trading view. For God's sake. Anyway, I just don't want to move the price. Okay. So, as I told you, this time we can consider not. Yes. And yes, that's good. It might give us, if it drop the entry price, it can again consider as a position. Solana. What's going on, Solana? Nothing. It's not going inside of this one. It's not dropping. It's doing nothing at all. So far, I don't wanna make anything on Solana. Just I will move this. Gosh, 1 second. Is that enter? Did it enter or not? On my side it didn't, but it might be bad, so I will not touch Solana anymore, because also it has a bad news, as you know, I told, and just skip it. It made me angry. XRP, it didn't came that soon. You know what I will make? I will just remain here a box, just to, in case if there is some bad scenario in market, but so far I do see positive. That's why I'm just remaining there to, you know, let it go. So in XRP I can might follow the small things. Let's give it 8, but with lower leverage I can consider. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . But that must break up this level. Even I can carry that to here, Yes, it's better now. Maybe I can. Yeah, that's better. So let's see. Finally, there is good things, and as you see on SEC, it's just listened me. It came here and it said, okay, B queen made some, position over there, let's drop down. It's worked like that. After that, it's dropped down, and this is 30 percentage, guys. Yes, I said one extra spot because it was risky, but it's give that. So I'm just thinking maybe I need to give some other risky position as well, because they gives on this kind of undecision market, they gives better. But let's see, I will think on it. So far, yes, so far, guys, we need to see some rise movement in market. I'm thinking it will happen and we will see pretty green market on Wednesday, but of course this is for short term. On Friday it might change because there's a lot of data, that's what we need to watch out, but till that time we can enjoy earn in this market till Friday. So I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday some rises if there's no anything on side of Trump or some other war stuff like that. Then I'll see you tomorrow.